Warning: guinea pigs can't have cabbage, cauliflower, avocado, onions, chives, leeks, shallots, garlic, rhubarbs, nuts, or citrus fruits such as oranges and lemons. What you need: a kebab stick, some scissors, a knife, a carrot, a cucumber, and some strawberries, but you can choose any vegetable or fruit as long as it's suitable for guinea pigs. First, take your carrot and slice it into suitable sized pieces. Now take your next fruit or vegetable and repeat the last step. They need to be nice and small so the guinea pig can eat it, so cut to it once again. Now get your strawberries and cut them quite small. Next, take your kebab stick and complete the steps as shown. Take your fruits and vegetables and put them on the kebab stick fairly close together. So the guinea pigs don't hurt themselves with the sharp ends, cut it off. Finally, your guinea pigs can enjoy the amazing fresh kebab you made. Thank you for watching. I hope you and your guinea pig enjoyed.